Hello everybody, in this tutorial we will learn how to create this drawing in AutoCAD 2020. If you are interested in previous tutorial, link of previous tutorial is given in the description. In this drawing, at first we will create this circle of diameter 40, type C on command bar, then enter, give the center point 0, 0, enter, type D, enter, give diameter 40, enter. Then next is this circle of radius 6, type C, enter, select here, give radius 6, enter, then type TR, enter, and trim this. Then select this circle and type array command, enter, select polar array, give center point, give item 6, enter, then trim the extra arc. Then next is the circle of diameter 66, type C, enter, give center point 0, 0, give diameter, enter, give diameter 66, enter. Then next is the circle of diameter 20 or 32, and the distance from x-axis is 0 and y-axis is 65. Type C, enter, type from, enter, give base point 0, 0, enter, give offset 0, 65, enter, give diameter 20, enter, pressing enter to repeat the previous command, give center point here, give diameter 32, enter. Then next is the circle of radius 64, type fillet command, enter, give radius 64, enter, type M for multiple uses, enter, then select the circle to the circle and repeat again, then finish. Then next is the circle of diameter 10 or 20 and distance from x-axis is 0 and y-axis is -50. Type C, enter, type from, enter, give base point 0, 0, enter, give offset 0, -50, enter, give D, enter, give diameter 10, enter, pressing enter to repeat the previous command, give center point here, type D, enter, give diameter 20, enter, then type fillet, enter, give radius 20, then type M, enter, then select the circle to the circle. Then next we will create the circle of radius 7 or 10 and distance from x-axis is 47 and y-axis is -26. Type C, enter, type from, enter, give base point 0, 0, enter, give offset 47, -26, enter, give radius 7, enter, then pressing enter to repeat the previous command, give center point here, give radius 10, enter, then type fillet, enter, give radius 10, enter, select the circle to the circle. Then next is the circle of radius 20, type fillet, enter, give radius 20, enter, then select this to this, enter, then select this, type MI, enter, give first point and then next point, enter, type TR, enter, and trim all the extra entities. Then object is created. Now fill the gradient according to this drawing. Type GRA, enter. Then select the color. Then select the pattern. Then select the object where we want to fill. Then enter.